are writing a book, should you register your book's name as a trademark? Now, as a trademark attorney, I hesitate to say no, but the truth is, if you are registering a trademark for books, it generally would be for the publication of the book or books under different titles. So Harper Collins probably has a trademark registered for publication, but also for books, printing and publication of the books, or the actual books, so the printing services and then the actual physical books themselves. The name of the book frequently is not something that people want to or need to trademark. Frequently it'll be very descriptive, such as how to fix your carburetor in 3 easy steps or something like that. It'll be descriptive. So if it is descriptive, then it might not be something that you can register. If you are going to register the name of your book, very frequently people who want to register a book name also, that could be their business name, their brand name, their URL. They could have courses under the same name. In that situation, then it's more valuable to get the name registered, because it's not really just a book title, but it's a whole income generating set of goods and services. And so then do you get it registered in the class for books, which is printed material, which is class 16, or for something else? Now, I always recommend class 9 for my clients who have written books. Class 9 is electronic books, but it also includes things like apps, online training courses. It's the class for electronic material. Now, if money is no object, certainly get it registered for the online and the printed version of the books. Most of my clients have a limited budget, and so for me, I always advise the electronic version, because that gives you more bang for your buck. You get protected for a bigger group of goods, and if you have it registered for electronic books, you get protected for anything that would be considered to be similar goods. Now, a paper book and an electronic book would most likely be considered similar goods. So by having it in the electronic category or class, you've got some crossover protection for the printed publication. Of course, if you're a magazine editor and you publish magazines, then I would recommend you definitely have the printed class as well as the electronic class, because those are your main things. Most business owners, their book is not their main thing, and frequently people come and ask, oh, should I register my book name as a trademark, when they don't even have the main business name registered as a trademark. So you need to think about what is your most important brand and get that registered first. The other difficulty with book names that people sometimes ask me is, what if somebody else has the same or similar title? I have never actually come across any issues with book titles. People tend to steer clear of what's already out there. So most authors will do a search on Amazon and look and see if somebody's got the same title. And if they have got the same title, steer clear of it. And that's a good practical advice, because you don't want people being confused. You don't want them buying The Cuckoo's Nest when you've written The Cuckoo's Nest. You could lose sales that way. But it is a good idea to do a quick check and a trademark search to see if other people have got their book's name or the book title registered as a trademark. It's not a common thing. People don't commonly register the book name, the book title, as a trademark. But it's worth bearing in mind, because if you then produce your books and sell them under that brand, you could be in trouble. My name is Catherine Warburton. I am the Legal Lioness.